Hello everyone. In this video, we'll do the daily current affairs analysis of 24th January 2022. This is MS Print. So the first topic which we'll discuss is about the One Sun, One World, One Grid initiative. So about the program, the plan brings together the International Solar Alliance and the UK Green Grid System and is in line with India's focus on solar energy use. The grid will be established in the next few years by the International Solar Alliance, another Indian approved initiative to carry forward solar power initiatives to various countries. The vision behind OSOWOG is the sun does not rise and is always present worldwide at any time. Implementation: the Ministerial Steering Group will work to accelerate the construction of large solar power stations and wind farms in the best of locations, connected together by continental grids across national borders. The Ministerial Steering Group comprises France, India, United Kingdom, and the United States and will consist of representatives from Africa, Gulf, Latin America, and Southeast Asia. Benefits of the program: with one global grid, we can access clean energy in all areas, the need to conserve energy will decrease, and the efficiency of solar projects will increase. India will generate 40% of energy from non fossil fuels by 2030 and has demanded that the solar power supply be linked to the borders that provide the mantra of One World, One Sun, One Grid. The proposed merger will result in a reduction in project costs, higher efficiency, and increased asset utilization for all participating organizations. This plan will only require additional investment as it will not require compatible grid infrastructure due to working with existing grids. It will assist all stakeholders in attracting investment in renewable energy sources and the utilization of skills, technology, and finance. The effects of economic benefits can have a positive impact on poverty alleviation and support in reducing water, sanitation, food, and other socio-economic challenges. It will allow India's national renewable energy management to grow as regional and international administrative institutions. Source of this news is the Hindu. The next topic in news is about the anticipatory bail. So, why it is in the news? The Supreme Court held that a superior court could set aside the expected bail order if there was sufficient evidence to suggest that matters such as the size and role of the defendants in the case were not considered by the lower court. About the anticipatory bail, the granting of the anticipatory bail under Section 438 was introduced when the CRPC was amended in 1973. Contrary to the usual bail granted to an arrested person, an person is ordered in anticipatory bail to be released on bail even before arrest. So, time frame: High Court in the case, Supreme Court in the case of Sushila Agarwal versus the State of NCT of Delhi has issued a landmark decision declaring that no time limit may be set for the expected bail application and may continue until the end of the case. Significance: the reason for inclusion of Section 438 in the Act was the adoption by Parliament of the fundamental principle of human liberty in a free and democratic country. Parliament wishes to promote respect for personal freedom and allow for a higher position in the basic law of criminal justice so that everyone is considered innocent until proven guilty. Recent observations made by the Supreme Court on its use: High Courts and Supreme Courts are empowered to grant the accused the anticipatory bail due to the mandate that the Constitution places on the right to freedom guaranteed under Article 21. The granting or refusal of an application under the CRPC directly affects the right to life and liberty of the individual. Therefore, the provision needs to be read openly and considered in its beneficial nature. So, the need for such protection: the respondent, without being a suspect, may also be the primary caregiver or the sole breadwinner. His imprisonment could lead could leave his loved ones in a state of famine and neglect. In the 1980 case of Gurbaksh Singh Sidhya versus State of Punjab, a five-judge panel of the Supreme Court, headed by Chief Justice Y.V. Chandrachud, ruled that 438(1) section should be interpreted in accordance with Article 21 of the Constitution. Source of this news is The Hindu. The next topic in news is Jal Jeevan Mission. It is from GS paper 3 and topic is conservation related issues. So about the Jal Jeevan Mission, JJM envisages supply of 55 liters of water per person per day to every rural household through functional household tap connections FHTC by 2024. It is under the Ministry of Jal Shakti. It was launched in 2019. The mission ensures functionality of existing water supply systems and water connections, water quality monitoring and testing, as well as sustainable agriculture, conjunctive use of conserved water, drinking water source augmentation, drinking water supply system, grey water treatment and its reuse. It also encompasses prioritizing provision of FHTCs in quality affected areas, villages in drought prone and desert areas, Sansad, Adarsh Gram Yojana, villages, etc., providing functional tap connections to schools, Anganwadi centers, Gram Panchayat buildings, health centers, wellness centers, and community buildings, technological interventions for removal of contaminants where water quality is an issue, implementation. The mission is based on a community approach to water and includes extensive information, education, and communication. As a key component of the mission, JJM looks to create a Jan Andolan for water, thereby making it everyone's priority. The fund sharing pattern between the center and the states is 90:10 for Himalayan and northeastern states, 50:50 for other states, and 100% for union territories. Performance of the scheme as on date, tap water supply has been provided in 7,72,076% schools and 7,48,067.5% Anganwadi centers. Source of this news is The Hindu. The next topic in news is Central Zoo Authority. So about the Central Zoo Authority, it is the official body that controls zoos in India. It was founded in 1992. The main objective of the authority is to complement and strengthen national efforts to conserve the country's rich ecosystem, especially wildlife, in line with the 1998 zoo policy. Key activities: it enforces the minimum standards and practices for the protecting and caring of animals. Every zoo in the country needs to get CZA recognition for its setup and functioning. Source of this news is the Indian Express. The next topic in news is about the DLXI protein. So it is a prelim specific topic. So researchers have found that the genetic code DLXI plays a key role in the growth of the jaw bone, and interneuron in the brain plays a vital role in the growth and development of prostate cancer. Source of this news is the Down to Earth website. So thanks a lot for watching the analysis video. Have a nice day.